Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Honda Odyssey. It comes with 57,336 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.3 liter 4-cylinder with an automatic transmission. This Odyssey is a 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number at the bottom that you're seeing, 92,285, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 57,336. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.